Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will connect the regulator with the switch and connect it to the fan. So now drawing the circuit diagram. This is the phase and this is the neutral connected to the fan. Phase and neutral giving to the fan, and above a neutral and phase coming to this 6-way board, and really how we connect to the board and wires you can observe here. Regulator, 2 switches and 1 socket. Regulator already 2 wires is there, and we are giving red color wire to phase, and totally regulators and switches which are going to the red wire. This red wire is phase only. Regulator 1 wire giving to the switch, and here you can see this is the phase wire giving to the switches, socket to switch, phase wire given red color wire, and neutral black wire giving to the socket right side, red color wire phase wire giving to the switch. Remaining ground wire, earth wire. This regulator remaining wire, and here the neutral wire. Regulator remaining wire is phase, and here we given neutral wire, green color wire is neutral, and regulator wire is fan. Now we are giving to the connection, so testing with the tester, phase and neutral. This is neutral, this is phase, blue color wire phase. So thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe my channel.